Okay, quadratic inequality is a mathematical sentence that contains a polynomial of degree of 2 and make use of inequality symbols instead of an equal sign. This includes the symbol we know as less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. So yan, yung apat na nakikita natin dito, yung apat na to ay yan yung gagamitin natin symbol sa pag-solve ng quadratic inequality. Now, our negative 2, 0, and 4 solution to x squared minus 7x plus 12 greater than 0. So, ito yun. Pinalaki lang natin. Solve natin kung solution yung negative 2, 0, and 4. Now, solve natin, unahin natin yung negative 2. So, sasubstitute lang natin yan sa given equation o inequality na x squared minus 7x plus 12 is greater than 0. Ngayon, x squared minus 7x plus 12 is hindi yan greater than. Sana hindi yan equal. Dapat yan ay greater than. So, greater than 0. Now, substitute natin yung negative 2 square minus 7 negative 2 plus 12 greater than 0. Simplify, so this is 4. Negative times negative 2 is 14 plus 12 greater than 0. So, dito, ang sagot ay 4. So, 30. Is 30 greater than 0? Tama ba ito? So, ito ay true. Diba? So, kapag naman 0, yung x squared minus 7x plus 12 greater than 0. Solve natin. 0 raised to 0 minus 7x plus 12 greater than 0. Okay, so substitute pala natin yan. Baguhin natin to. So, 7 times 0. So, siyempre dito, 0 minus 0 plus 12 is greater than 0. So, all 12 is greater than 0. Tama ba to? Okay, tama ito. 12 is greater than 0. So, next, punta naman tayo sa 4. 4. X squared minus 7x plus 12 greater than 0. Substitute natin si 4 sa equation. 4 raised to 2 minus 7 times 4 plus 12 greater than 0. So, 4 times 16 minus 28 plus 12 greater than 0. Ayan, 16 plus 12. Ang sagot natin dito ay 28 minus 28 greater than 0. So, ito, 0 is greater than 0. So, siyempre ito, hindi ito 0 greater than 0. So, ito ay false. Yan. So, kaya natin sinosolve yung ating quadratic inequality.